Everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Fashion Shop. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support, your cooperation, sale, feedback, nice feedback, your guidelines. Thanks a lot. Please keep it up. And today I have selected some exclusive smart collections, pure handloom collections only for you with great offer price. So let me display. This one very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom fine lane by lane with contrast color border with fine embroidery work, very trendy and fresh looks. This one is full base part, premium quality pure handloom fine lane by lane with beautiful fine embroidery buta work, and this one is pallu portions, contrast color highlighted pallu, and this one full base part and bird border. This one is border portions, wide border highlighted silver zari lines, and full border portions beautiful fine embroidery work. This one is beautiful embroidery design. This portion is border portions, and this one is full base part. Very nice and elegant looks, bright one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. Very trendy looks, and I will suggest this silk material, fully fine embroidery work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart looks. And this one beautiful mirror work design, premium quality pure handloom cotton slab with batik printed one and contrast border, fully hand batik print with mirror design, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, nice color combinations, contrast color dye with fine batik printed one with beautiful embroidery design, and this one is pallu portions, highlighted stripes pattern pallu, batik printed one with mirror work, very nice looks. And this one full base part, very beautiful one, fully hand batik print, nice color combinations. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full piece, very soft, comfortable, summer friendly. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. And this one handloom soft silk material with beautiful badhni buta printed one, highlighted golden zari stripes, very smart looks. This one is full base part, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is full base part, beautiful badhni buta printed one, highlighted golden zari 1-inch border, and this one is pallu portions, highlighted golden zari stripes pattern pallu, and this one border portions, very trendy and smart looks, highlighted golden zari stripes pattern border and beautiful badhni buta printed one, very trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material, weaving buta stripes with buta work, contrast small weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive fresh looks. And this one also tissue linen material with heavy weaving work very nice and gorgeous looks, have golden sign, premium quality pure handloom tissue linen material, and this one full base part, very nice looks. This one is full base part, beautiful fine weaving design work border, and this one pallu portions, highlighted stripes pattern pallu, and this one full base part, very trendy and fresh looks. This portion is border portions, fully fine weaving design work border, beautiful fine weaving design, and this one is all over piece, very trendy and fresh looks. This one is running blouse piece, and I will say this is silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. Very beautiful and smart looks, premium quality pure handloom soft silk and all over weaving buta design, golden zari border, very trendy and smart looks and very nice elegant color combinations, also brown shade, and this one is golden zari border, and all over base part is fine weaving design work all over base, and this one is pallu portions, highlighted stripes pattern pallu, very trendy and fresh looks, based for your daily wear, office wear. This one full base part, very exclusive one, fully weaving work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, and I will suggest this silk material self weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart looks. And this one also in a very beautiful one, pure Muga silk with highlighted golden zari weaving border and contrast color piping. Very nice looks, this one is fresh green shade. This portion is border portions, fully fine weaving design work border, highlighted contrast color lines, and this one is full base part Muga silk, very trendy and fresh looks. And this one is pallu portions, highlighted golden zari stripes pattern pallu, very nice looks. And this one is full base part, soft, comfortable, lightweight. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is all over piece. And I will suggest this silk material, fully Banarasi weaving work, buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive outstanding looks. This one also a very beautiful one, Tassar silk cotton material, mixed material, golden zari printed border, and all over base part is nice printed one, very soft one, summer friendly, trendy, fresh looks. This one full base part Tassar silk cotton material, mixed material, and this portion is border portions, contrast color with temple pattern printed border, highlighted golden zari border, and this one is all over base, fully printed one, very trendy and fresh looks, soft one. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu portions, highlighted contrast color stripes pattern pallu, and this one is border, very nice one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. Very beautiful one, premium quality, fine linen by linen with beautiful highlighted 1-inch golden zari border and all over buta design, very nice fresh looks. This one full base part, baby pink shade with fine weaving design work. This portion border portions, one portion is silver zari 1-inch border, one portion is golden zari 1-inch border, and this one is border portions design, beautiful fine contrast color weaving with silver zari weaving buta design on border part. And this one is full base part, very trendy looks, baby pink base. And this one is pallu portions, highlighted stripes pattern pallu, and this one full base part, very elegant fresh looks. This one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom, fine linen by linen with silver zari buta, and this one is running blouse piece, contrast color, and this one is full base part, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material Gujarati work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart looks. And this one also a very beautiful one, same material, same pattern, premium quality, pure handloom, fine linen by linen with golden and silver zari combined weaving buta design, very nice looks. This one is full base part, elegant color combinations with golden and silver zari weaving buta. And this one is highlighted border portion, silver zari 1-inch border, and this portion is pallu portion, same weaving buta work pallu. And this one full base part, one portion is golden zari border and one portion is silver zari 1-inch border, and full base part is weaving buta design. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart and trendy looks. And this one also a very beautiful and bright color combination, gorgeous looks, Banarasi weaving work, silk linen Banarasi, very nice color combinations, bright sky blue shade and heavy Banarasi weaving highlighted border. This one full base part, very nice looks. This portion is border portions, fully fine weaving design work Banarasi border, and this one pallu portions highlighted heavy Banarasi weaving design work pallu, and this one full base part, very nice looks. This portion is highlighted border, wide border, fully weaving border, and this one running blouse piece, and this one is full piece. And I will suggest this silk material weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive and bright looks, based for your festive wear, function wear. Very beautiful one, bright gorgeous looks, premium quality, pure handloom organza silk with Banarasi work, very gorgeous. This one is full base part is fine checks design with Banarasi weaving buta work, and this one is border portions, beautiful fine Banarasi weaving heavy work border, based for your function wear, party wear, very gorgeous looks. And this one pallu portions, fully fine smart weaving design work, highlighted pallu black with golden zari work, all over checks with Banarasi butta, and this one full base part, very trendy and fresh looks. This one is running blouse piece, same brocade work, and this one is all over base checks with Banarasi weaving design, very trendy and fresh gorgeous looks, and this one is all over checks pattern. And I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also very beautiful one, tissue linen with fine weaving stripes design, golden zari border, premium quality soft one. This one is full base part and golden sign, and all over base part is feather like weaving stripes design, and golden zari border, premium quality pure handloom tissue linen base. And this one is pallu portions, highlighted contrast stripes pattern pallu, and this one is all over base, very bright fresh looks, based for your festive wear, function wear, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very beautiful one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric golden border contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart and fresh looks. And this one beautiful one, soft summer friendly premium quality pure handloom cotton slab material, and golden zari weaving border, and all over beautiful printed one. This one border portions golden zari with contrast color temple pattern printed border, and all over base part is beautiful printed one. And this one pallu portions contrast color highlighted golden zari stripes with beautiful printed pallu, and this one full base part, very elegant and fresh looks, premium quality pure handloom cotton slab soft one, based for your daily wear. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. Beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom cotton slab material with beautiful smart printed one, golden zari border and silver zari border, and all over base part is beautiful printed one, very smart trendy looks. This one pallu portions beautiful fully printed pallu, and this one is full base part, very soft comfortable summer friendly fully nice printed one, very elegant looks. This one is full base, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, this portion is border. And I will suggest this kalamkari printed contrast cotton fabric contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy and smart looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And today I have kept a beautiful saree, premium quality pure handloom soft silk material, golden zari border, and all over base part is self weaving lahariya pattern design, fully weaving lahariya pattern design. And this one is pallu portions highlighted golden zari fine stripes pattern pallu, and very soft comfortable summer friendly, based for your daily wear. Beautiful saree, beautiful blouse, and jewelry also. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.